Sexual molestation? No.
This is Richard.
I want to see my husband.
Bó ti ṣe sọ nìyẹn o láti lè paná èròkérò àti ìsọkúsọ tó wà lọ́kàn àwọn ènìyàn. Arábìnrin Aremu Rachel tí àwọn jàǹdùkú báńdíìtì jí gbé ti bá àwọn oníròyìn sọ̀rọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣàlàyé ohun tójú wọn rí nínú igbó ọ̀hún, ìyà burúkú tí wọ́n fi jẹ àwọn kéékèèké tí wọ́n dá nǹkan mọ̀. Bí wọ́n ti ṣe so àwọn géńdé ọkùnrin mọ́lẹ̀ bí ẹran so, ikú òjijì tí wọ́n fi pa olùkọ́ yìí àti díákónì tí wọ́n ní wọ́n jọ jí gbé. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ má ní gbàgbé ni o. Níbi ìfọ̀rọ̀wánilẹ́nuwò tó ṣe ní kété tí ìjọba àpapọ̀ fà wọ́n lé ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lọ́wọ́ ló ti ṣàlàyé nǹkan tójú àwọn rí nígbà táwọn wà láhàámọ́ àwọn jàǹdùkú yìí. Wọ́n ní kì í ṣe ìrírí tó yẹ kó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ síyàn rárá o, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọdé, nítorí ìta gbangba nínú òjò nínú oòrùn làwọn wà lójoojúmọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ìrètí pé àwọn kan ṣàdúrà fáwọn nílé ló jẹ́ káwọn ṣọ̀kan akin. Láfikún, ìyá pírísípà sọ pé lóòótọ́ wọn ò na òun rárá o, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n na àwọn ọmọdé méjì tí wọ́n kéré jù láàrin wọn látàrí ariwo pípa àti ẹjọ́ rírò. Ìdí ni pé àwọn ikọ̀ agbófinró ń fọ́ igbó ká táwọn jàǹdùkú yìí sì ń bẹ̀rù kí wọ́n má lọ gbọ́ igbe wọn. Wọ́n túbọ̀ fi aṣọ so wọ́n lẹ́nu pẹ̀lú tí wọ́n sì lù wọ́n dáadáa. Kò tán síbẹ̀ o, àwọn olùkọ́ ọkùnrin gan ni wọ́n jìyà jù nítorí ní ṣe ni wọ́n fi aṣọ bò wọ́n lójú, wọ́n fi áńkọ́fù mú wọn lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n sì sọ àwọ̀n sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. Màmá pírísípà tẹ̀síwájú pé wọn ò fipá bá ẹnikẹ́ni lò pọ̀ rárá o, àti pé òun fẹ́ kọ́kọ́ délé náà lórí ọkọ òun kóun tó mọ ìgbésẹ̀ tó kù láti gbé. Nípa oúnjẹ ní tiẹ̀, ó ní bisikí ni wọ́n kọ́kọ́ mú wá fáwọn lọ́sẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ táwọn débẹ̀ láti lè fa ojú àwọn ọmọ òun mọ́ra. Nígbà tó yá, àwọn rìn kúrò níbẹ̀ láti bọ́ sí ibòmíràn látàrí pé àwọn ikọ̀ agbófinró ti ń kẹ́fín àwọn. Ó ṣàlàyé pé ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà aago 7 sí 8 alẹ́ làwọn ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrìn ọ̀hún fún bíi wákàtí 3 sí 4 lójoojúmọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ secondary school tó wà láàrin àwọn ni wọ́n ń gbé àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké 3 tí wọn ò lè dárìn, àti pé ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà làwọn ń ṣubú lọ́nà. Èyí ni àpá tó kún ara àwọn nígbà táwọn délé. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́tò tí ìyá pírísípà béèrè ní kété tó dé padà, ó ṣàlàyé pé mọ́tò òun ni wọ́n fi kó àwọn lọ pàdé àwọn ọmọ pámárì lọ́jọ́ òun, àti pé mọ́tò yìí pẹ̀lú ọ̀kadà tí wọ́n kó wá ni wọ́n fi gbé àwọn lọ. Ó ní fún bíi wákàtí 4 ni wọ́n fi ń wa mọ́tò òun lọ́nà gbòòrò kan tí wọ́n kó àwọn gbà, àti pé òun rò pé wọ́n fi mọ́tò náà sílẹ̀ ní nígbà táwọn lọ tán. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ṣeéṣe káwọn ọlọ́pàá gbé mọ́tò náà lọ ọ́fíìsì wọn. Ṣá o, ẹnìkan ló fi fọ́tò hàn òun pé wọ́n sun mọ́tò yìí níná ni. Ìdí tóun fi béèrè mọ́tò yìí ni pé wọn ò sọná sí i lójú òun o, àti pé kì í ṣe ojú náà táwọn gbà ni wọ́n ti dáná sun, á jẹ́ pé wọ́n wọ̀ á lọ sí ibòmíràn lọ sọná sí i ni. Lákòótán, arábìnrin Rachel ti sọ pé òun ò mọ̀ bóyá òun sì lè padà máa ṣiṣẹ́ lábúlé, pàápàá jùlọ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mọ́tò òun yìí, nítorí ibi tóun gbé jìnnà sí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ tó mọ́tò náà sì gọbọyì. Ó fi kún un pé ọdún 28 lòun ti lò lẹ́nu iṣẹ́, àti pé ọdún 4 péré ló kù tóun fi fẹ̀yìntì. Ju gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ, òun ò tí ì lè sọ bóyá òun sì máa padà sídìí iṣẹ́ mọ́ látàrí nǹkan tójú òun rí, ṣùgbọ́n pẹ̀lú àánú Ọlọ́run kò sí ní tí ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni olùdíje fún ipò gómìnà nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, Sẹ́nitọ̀ Sàràfà Àlí ti fún ọ̀gá àgbà iléèwé ọ̀hún ní mọ́tò ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́ Toyota tuntun nẹ́nẹ́. Fọ́tò rẹ̀ náà lẹ́ ń wò yìí.
And imagine it even is like reliving it. It was not easy. We were in the forest, in the open most of the time, under the sun, under the rain, with the children. But we kept going because there was no way out. We knew it's God that could only help us. So that really helped us. And the fact that we believe that people are praying for us, that also helped us as well. And I cannot say it's not God, because sometimes things we go through, you think that when you break down, that will be the end. But you just survive it. Personally, I was not beaten, but some of the children were beaten. You know, children, some of them are quiet, some of them are loud. And what they hate most is noise, that it attracts attention. So the youngest of them, maybe the two, Waliya and Salam, they were the one that took the best of the beating. They will close their mouth, tie it with clothes, and beat them very well. Then the men, they had it worse than us, because they were blindfolded, handcuffed, and chained on the leg. All of them, until they remained 2. So,
was there any form of molestation on anybody?
Sexual molestation? No.
This is Richard.
I want to see my husband. When I get home, I can think of any other thing. But definitely, it has to be something that will be good for me. We sacked them all. When we started, the first week, they were bringing biscuits for them, maybe to make them comfortable. But along the line, that stopped. Then we had to move from one point to another, and that was a major problem we had. When the place is discovered, we have to move, and that starts around 7, 8 in the night. Sometimes we walk 3, 4 hours. That is most of the bruises you see on our bodies.
Children?
Yes. They carry the last 3: salam, waliyat, and testimony. The girls, the secondary school girls, will carry the 10. The other ones, they will have to walk. We fall sometimes, a lot. When we were taken, my car was used to convey us to a point. That was where we met the primary pupils and the teacher. So we had to walk for about 1 hour. They brought bicycle machine and about 10 of them. So we were parked there, and we rode for more than 4 hours on charted paths, but they knew their way. What actually happened, I thought they left the car there. The police would have towed the car to their office, but somebody showed me the car where it was burnt, and that was not the path we took. So I think they drove it to that point before it was touched. That was not the way we took into the forest. Going to rural area will take the grace of God. With time, I've worked for 28 years, so I have 4 years. With time, maybe I can get over it, but going that far, the distance between that place and Ogbomoso is far already. So I sacrifice a lot when it comes to transportation. Now, coupled with this, I don't know what will happen, but